Good evening and welcome back. We will continue from here. Which of the following statement is not correct? So one by one, let's go through each and every statement. Pyramid of number in grassland, it looks like this. See, grass is infinite, so the number of grass will be huge. So that's why you will have a broad base here. This represents primary producer, then primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer. And therefore, pyramid of numbers in a grassland ecosystem is always upright. Next one, pyramid of biomass in sea is generally inverted. See, this will be inverted. The reason is phytoplankton, their biomass is low. Then zooplankton is more than phytoplankton, and then we have fishes, and at the top level we have sharks, whales. So biomass of sharks and whales is massive. So pyramid of biomass in sea is inverted. And the last statement, pyramid of energy is always upright. Yes, it has to be upright because it follows 10% law of energy transfer. So primary producers fix 1% of energy from sunlight, and then it is transferred to the subsequent trophic level at the rate of 10%. Okay, so 10,000 becomes 1,000, 1,000 becomes 100, and 100 becomes 10. It decreases as we go up the trophic level. This will be upright. So option 3 is the only statement which is incorrect, and therefore answer of this question. This is simple equation. In the equation, GPP minus R is NPP. R represents respiratory losses. Respiration losses.